be greedy when others are fearful, and fearful when others are greedy. These are the words that have been uttered by one of the greatest investors the world has ever known, Warren Buffett. With this mindset, he took $100 of his own money and turned it into over $270 billion. In today's video, we'll be going over the top 5 stocks to buy right now in 2022. Before we get into the video, I just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. If you decide you like any of these stocks and you want to buy any, be sure to do your own due diligence before buying any of these stocks. While they are great stocks, you and only you are responsible for the success that you see from these stocks. The only thing that I ask in return is that you smash the like button. And if for some reason you're new here and haven't already, please be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. One more thing before we get into the video, I'm just gonna take my Instagram and leave it right here. Do with it as you will, and without further ado, let's get into the video. As of right now, while I am making this video in January of 2022, the market is very fearful. In fact, it's the most fearful I've seen it in years. Almost a full month into the year and the market has done nothing but sell off. But that just means it's the perfect time to buy shares of good stock. As Warren Buffett said, you have to be greedy when others are fearful, and fearful when others are greedy. Keeping that in mind, the first stock has sold off nearly 50% from its 52-week highs, indicating extreme fear. Airbnb actually went public within the stock market this past year and has what I believe to be massive growth ahead of it. This stock is definitely hurting right now due to overall market conditions and COVID fears, but I think in the coming years, this stock is going to be worth a lot more. And depending on what kind of investor you are, 155 may seem like a lot of money for this stock, but in a few years, we'll be looking at how cheap this stock is trading right now. Next on the list, we have another stock. This one is sold off more than 50% from its all-time highs and is another great stock pick. I'm not gonna lie, this one is kind of pricey, but this is exactly what fractional shares are for. Now, Shopify trading at $8.75 right now is definitely not a cheap stock, but right now at that price, it is on super sale. Again, this stock is down more than 50% from its all-time highs, and just like Airbnb, it's due to market conditions, overall market fears, COVID, all that stuff. And I feel like I just wouldn't be doing you justice if I didn't put this stock on your radar. Shopify is a massive e-commerce website where you go to build your e-commerce website. And not to mention, they're moving into the metaverse, allowing NFTs and whatnot to be sold and traded on their platforms. I will say at their all-time highs, Shopify was definitely priced a bit rich. They reached an all-time high of $17.61. They were definitely priced for the future, but right now Shopify is a steal. And right now at these levels, Shopify is something that I definitely want to add heavily to my portfolio. Today's video is brought to you by TIBLIO, a complete crypto stock trading system with pro-level tools, real-time market data and news, as well as the fastest scanners in the market. TIBLIO provides traders with the leading tools and fastest data in the market so that you and I can find the best opportunities to maximize profit and build wealth. Today, when you sign up for TIBLIO Pro, you'll also get access to my Discord as well as the TIBLIO Active Trader Discord for free. TIBLIO Pro is only $34.95 each month, or get 2 months free by paying for the whole year upfront at an annual price of $349.50. Not sure if it's worth it? Sign up using my referral link down below in the description and get 7 days for only $1 with all the trades, the trading journal, the screeners, not to mention the Discord and everything else that TIBLIO has to offer. I can pretty much guarantee you'll love it. Now back to the video. Third on the list, we have another company that's been around for a while, but just recently went public this last year. This company may seem like a childish company, but it's grown at a good continuous pace since its inception. And this is actually another company that I believe is going to win when it comes to moving into the metaverse. They're already partially there. I believe they're going to capitalize massively off of the move to the metaverse. And this company is actually Roblox. Now, I personally always took Roblox as a joke until I have a friend told me that he makes over $7,000 a month running a server on Roblox. To me, it's just the funniest thing. Like, you have a video game with really bad animation. To me, I personally don't get it, but people love it. So yeah, I definitely see this being a metaverse winner, and just a winner overall with all the users they have, all the revenue being spent on their platforms. And when I worked at Best Buy, I saw so many parents coming in buying Roblox gift cards for their children. I just know I would regret not buying Roblox today, especially at these levels. After this sell-off we've had all month this year, Roblox is down around 50% from its all-time highs, trading under $70 now. Trading at this price, I actually believe that is below their IPO price, and at the moment this price for Roblox is a steal. So right now I'm definitely scooping up Roblox, especially below $70. I'm really loving Roblox. Not to mention, Roblox has even attracted high-profile investors like Nancy Pelosi. And I'm not saying that she knows something, but she knows something. The next one that we have up is another one that's down in that 50% range from its all-time highs. And this one's actually a popular one in the world of fintech. I'm pretty sure you've heard of this one. And while it's selling at such a heavy discount right now, this company has actually beat its earnings estimates every quarter for the past year and is still trading at a heavy discount. PayPal is a strong stock that is trading very weak right now, again due to market fear. And when they are fearful, we need to be greedy. PayPal is another stock that is going to kill it in the long term. Right now, it's just a beautiful buying opportunity for all these companies I'm mentioning, and actually a lot of other companies in the stock market right now as well. It's crazy. It's like a Black Friday for stocks right now. And right now, PayPal is actually trading below the lowest analyst price target of 175. The average of all the analyst price targets is around 264, and the high end of all analyst price targets is around 366, and PayPal is below all of those. So yeah, this stock is on a super sale right now. Definitely take some time to consider PayPal for a long-term hold. Now this last company may be a bit of a stretch because it's a Chinese company and is not under American regulation, but for the same reason there is fear out there for this stock, and this stock is down over 60% from all-time highs. Now with this stock, you're definitely taking a bigger risk than all the other stocks in my opinion, because this is a Chinese company and they could choose to delist from the US markets in the future. But with this risk comes a massive reward as well. More than 60% upside, and that's also not accounting for all the growth that's happened since everyone's become so fearful of this stock. Alibaba is the Amazon of China, and they have no competition. So they can charge whatever prices they want, and no one except for the Chinese government can really do anything about it. So Alibaba basically runs the game. They have this big monopoly out there. They pretty much can't be messed with. And again, this stock is definitely not a conservative stock, but wait around long enough and this stock will pay you off handsomely if it doesn't delist from the US markets. Now I want to be clear, while any of these stocks could take off at any moment, the stocks that I've listed in this video are not meant to be a quick day trade or even a quick swing trade. The gains from these stocks are intended to come over time. So if you were watching this video to make a quick buck, this probably isn't the video for you. Investing in any of these companies should do you a lot better than leaving your money sitting around in the bank in a savings account, earning less than inflation. And should you hold on to these stocks, they should really help you grow your wealth in the coming years. But while these stocks are on super sale, remember to do your due diligence and never buy anything that you're not comfortable buying. Just because it's in this video does not mean that you have to buy it. Are there any stocks that you were expecting to be in this video that I left out of this video that you felt should have been in this video? Hey, let me know down below in the comments. Be sure to smash the like button if you enjoyed the video or learned anything. And if for some reason you made it this far and haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching and peace.